We're making the beaded fidget with pony beads. And we're gonna start with some cotton thread. The waxed kind works really great, something that you're gonna be able to thread easily and not have it fray. The length of this is 30 inches. And I fold it in half to find the center, and I secure this onto either a ring, a key chain hook, what is this? A keychain, or anything that has a loop. So in order to do this, I go in from behind, put it around the sides, or just grab the top and pull. Then I tape this to the surface that I am working on. And then I start with my beads. You're gonna need 30 beads to make this fidget, this particular one. It starts with 1 and then 2, and then it has 3 rows, 3 beads in 8 rows, and then 2 and then 1, and then we'll tie it. I'll show you how to tie that one in a minute. So I like to secure it there, like pretty close to the edge here, and then I put the strings on top. I think it's easier to manipulate that way. And I start with 1. Oops. 1 bead goes through. That's okay. The other bead goes. One string goes through, then the other string. Pull. And then I pull it towards me to check it out, make sure it's centered. And then I get my next 2 beads. You put 2 beads through 1 string. And you take the next string and put it through those 2 beads. And then you pull. And you have to fiddle with it a little bit to make sure it stays kind of centered in the beginning, how you like it. And then I do my next row. This one will be 3. 1, 2, 3. And there's different ways to get it on there. You could do it like this. There's lots of different techniques, but just thread both threads through there. There you have 3. And as you keep adding them, it will kind of straighten out. It looks kind of curvy right now. So you're gonna keep going with 7 more rows of the 3, and then finish with 2 and then 1. And by the time you finish, it's going to look like this one. And I'm gonna show you just a square knot, how to finish it off. Because a square knot will not loosen. It will stay taut. So I flip it this way, and the pattern is right over left, left over right, meaning the strings. So the right string goes over the top, and it's still facing that way, so it's gonna go down and under and be pulled out that way. There's your right over left, and keep them facing you still, then left over right. My left string goes on top of the right, still is facing towards the right, pointing that way, goes under, and that's left over right. And you get this really nice looking knot. So, and I pull that really tight, and then you can snip this end, and then you have your fidget.